Are you confused by marine electrical diagrams? Let's break down block, wiring, and circuit diagrams. See how the energy flows. They are finally explained.
Hello everyone, welcome to Marine Electrical Made Easy. In today's video, we will learn the difference between block diagrams, wiring diagrams, and circuit diagrams. These three diagrams are commonly used onboard ships and are essential for ETOs and marine engineers and electrical technicians. Understanding these diagrams will help you troubleshoot faults, understand systems operations, and carry out maintenance efficiently. Now, what is a block diagram? A block diagram is the simplest representation of a system. It shows the major components and how they are connected functionally. A block diagram does not show actual wires, terminals, terminal numbers, or electrical symbols. Instead, it gives us an overall picture of how the system works. Now, what is a wiring diagram? Now, let us look at the wiring diagram. A wiring diagram shows the actual physical connections between components. It shows wires and cables, terminal numbers, connection points, cable routing. Unlike a block diagram, a wiring diagram helps ETOs and marine engineers install and maintain equipments. What is a circuit diagram? Now let us discuss the circuit diagram. A circuit diagram shows how electricity flowing through the circuits using standard electrical symbols. Instead of showing physical locations, it shows the electrical logic of operations. Typical symbols include fuse, relay, contactor, push button, lamp, motor, etc. Thank you for watching Marine Electrical Made Easy. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.